How to earn free Bitcoin daily without investment in 2022. How to earn free Bitcoin daily. Are you interested in earning Bitcoin? Then this guide is for you. Here we will talk about different way by which you can earn free Bitcoin daily without earned investment by just doing simple tasks such as solving captchas and filling out survey etc. One of the most popular digital cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. They are some of the business where this currency is accepted and is not taxed and has minimal trans- transaction fees. This is the reason why many people want to earn this cryptocurrency. There are various different methods to earn free Bitcoin. Some of the methods are mentioned below. Bitcoin are accepted as a mode of payment, one of the simplest way in which an individual can earn free Bitcoin is behave accepting the Bitcoin as a means of payment. If the invest individual sell the good and service or has a small business, then she can integrate this method easily and quickly with the help of the following step. The individual need to get free online Bitcoin wallet, Coinbase or other provider give access to this wallet. The individual need to see what work best for him/her. The individual needs to make sure to keep his/her coin safe in two of difference difference earned free Bitcoin daily without investment in legit way. Earn free Bitcoin from invest interest payment. The individual can also earn free Bitcoin by lending them out given below at the various way in which an individual can lend his/her Bitcoin. Lending the Bitcoin directly to someone the invest more. If there is someone on whom the individual can tax, then he/she can agree on the terms such as interest rate and duration. Par-to-par Bitcoin learning. Their website for different groups who offer individual Bitcoin and Bitcoin for mining. Another way to generate Bitcoin is Bitcoin mining when an individual performs this the computer adds new Bitcoin transactions to the blockchain. When the computer discovers a new block, then the individual is going to receive a number of free Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining is expensive and hard work. Interest with give given below are some of the biggest Bitcoin mining pools. Slot this mining flow is among the first mining pools and is currently the most popular mining pool today. This pool mines about 30% of all the block. Bit, Bitclock network. It is a good site to start mining. This is considered to be a large mining pool and is easy to use. We earned Bitcoin from tips. Tips Bitcoin are an incentive. Earning Bitcoin as a means of payment is similar to receive Bitcoin as tips. The individual can receive tips in different ways. The easiest way to give tips is by having shop. The individual need to check the QRL code to know what come in on that day. Earn free Bitcoin from trading.